Here we have the finished product of this Honda Civic wrapped in a TeckWrap Gloss Black Rose. This is a beautiful color, has a little bit of a metallic flake in between, and the gradient that you get in different lightings from dark to light is phenomenal. You can already see it here on the front hood where it has a very bright purple, but later on in the finished photos that you'll be able to see, there is a much darker black rose vibe that you get from this. As you can see, even where I'm ceramic coating on the side there, even the mirror is what you can see. Like right here on the next shot, you can see more of the black rose hue coming out compared to the front end where it had a lot of light reflection exposing more of that purple. This here is a signature that we add on every single one of our wraps just to signify that it is quality work and it's done by us to fulfill that warranty. Now here we have our final photos that we took with our camera to show you guys different angles of how the light hits and refracts off of this film. Showing you the quality work on these door handles, because door handles are quite tough, especially with a calendared film like this TeckWrap. But with all of these oncoming photos, that the install came out super clean, no contamination, especially since this is one of the first films that TeckWrap rolled out with the plastic backing. So the finish is actually much cleaner with the plastic backing, but installation does take a little bit more preparation to get it surgically clean and no contamination. Big shout out to my clients and all the viewers for constantly supporting me, and also a big shout out to TeckWrap for rolling out those beautiful colors that we all love to see, I love to install for you. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.